out again, pedals in pair. Currently 9 minutes riding time. By 10 minutes ay tapos na yung warm up namin. So today we are going to extend our usual route. Mga 30 kilometers na total. 15 one way balikan, so total of 30. Hoping na hindi umulan and magtuloy-tuloy yung ganda ng weather. Pwede ka mo left kaya wala sakyanan. Sige, wala na ako. Drafting oh. Pagdali ko no. Drafting na kami. Minor. Stop lab. Okay. We are now in MacArthur. 30 minutes riding time. I think this is our fastest by far na nag-ride kami. Her fastest rather. Distance of 11 kilometers. Okay, so we will conquer at least 15 kilometers, 4 more kilometers to go. Okay, last time dito, hanggang dito lang kami sa bridge, and today we will proceed at least 3 kilometers more para total 30 kilometers balikan. The jackpot coconut. Swerte ang malaglagan. I think she has 101% motivation and fighting spirit. 101% motivation and fighting spirit. We will proceed to the next town, which is Mayorga. I think mga 3 to 4 kilometers more. 7-Eleven daw. Nanasadlap. Ay nako. Meron ka dalam?
Oo. Pwede ito makaha.
Linis. Bilis. Presko ito. Love. Presko na. Presko ito. Ito. Kilaw, sugba. Ito. Yawa. Pwede na i-Odax. 400. In Mayorga town proper. Mayorga. We are going to 7-Eleven. Signal pati ilwan. Okay, sige lab, sunod lab. May na lang na coffee. Onigiri. Hanapin usa oh. Ano eh? Ha? Ako sarap. Onigiri. A well-deserved onigiri. Coffee. We are done with the onigiri and coffee. She deserved the onigiri. We had 20 kilometers. Pa-picture lang kami sa transformer na statue, tapos uwi na ng Abuyog. Good thing hindi masyadong mainit. Ahead ay boundary na ng Dulag, so sabi niya next time daw. Okay, next time. Minor na love. Before we call it robot ride. Boundary ahead ay boundary na ng Dulag and Mayorga. So next time we will visit Dulag. So for now, dito muna kami sa Transformers. Kuya. We are on our way home. 20 kilometers to go. Our time is 5:38. Good luck. Bye-bye. Nagabihan. We are almost home. Time check is about 6:20 in the afternoon. First time namin mag-ride ng 40 kilometers and first time maabutan ng gabi. Night ride sa gabi. Sulit ang Balbacoa ni.